We all know that technology is growing day by day. Today, with the help of technology, we can solve all the heavy work in the world easily. For that, modern machines and vehicles are available today. We are going to see these machines and vehicles through this video. So, without wasting time, let's move on to the video. Welcome to the channel World Stories. NASA Crawler Transporter. The Crawler Transporter is used by NASA, the world's largest space agency, to transport giant space shuttles from one place to another. These crawler transporters have been in use since the 1960s. They are mainly used to transport rockets, space shuttles, and other space vehicles from their vehicle assembly building to the launch platform. This crawler transporter is 130 feet long, 114 feet wide, and weighs 6 trillion pounds. Because it is so heavy, it can travel at a speed of 1.6 kilometers per hour when there is a load and 3.2 kilometers per hour when there is no load. Then, they can carry up to 8,000 tons of weight. That is, they can carry as much weight as 25 Boeing aircraft. Caterpillar 797. We know that big trucks are needed for big jobs in the mining and construction sector. Caterpillar 797 series trucks are the largest trucks in the world. It is mostly used for heavy-duty mining and construction needs. A Caterpillar truck can carry more than 345 tons at a time. It is one of the most powerful cargo vehicles in the world. Belarusian heavy truck manufacturing company Belas is the manufacturer of this Caterpillar truck. This Caterpillar truck was launched in 2013. 2 diesel engines run this Caterpillar vehicle. Each engine has a capacity of 65 liters. When there is no load, it can travel at a speed of 64 kilometers per hour. When there is a load, it can travel at a speed of 40 kilometers per hour. The Big Bike. Like its name, it is a big bike in real life. The Big Bike, manufactured by Fabio Ross, is the world's largest motorcycle that can be driven by Guinness World Records in 2014. This 16 feet 8 inches bike weighs more than 5.5 tons. Its motor has a capacity of 280 horsepower. The driver of this bike had to run 100 meters to get a place in the Guinness World Records. Because of its good size, you can see 2 wheels on the back of the bike so that it does not fall to the ground. The driver controls this bike using a steering near the seat. Dodge Power Wagon. Dodge Power Wagon is the largest truck in the world. This truck is much bigger than a normal truck. It is the truck of a billionaire named Sheikh Hamad bin Hamadan Al Nahyan. This truck weighs more than 50 tons. This vehicle was exhibited at the Emirates National Auto Museum. There are 4 air-conditioned large bedrooms, a living room, and bathrooms in this truck. When you see all this, you may be wondering if this truck can drive. Another miracle is that this truck can drive. This truck is 8 times larger than a normal Power Wagon truck. Even if a tall man stands next to the tire of this truck, he looks like a dwarf to us. That's how big its tires are. The brakes and suspensions of the soil tiller machines are also installed in this truck. Moreover, this truck is 100% street legal. That is, it is allowed to drive on the road by the Motor Vehicle Group. Antonov 225. Antonov 225 is the largest aircraft ever built in the world. This is the only aircraft in the world that is the largest and heaviest that ever built. It was the Ukrainian Soviet Union at the time, in 1980s, that Antonov 225 was built. The aircraft was first designed as part of the Soviet aeronautical program to fly a vehicle called Buran, a Soviet version of the US space shuttle. Antonov 225 was the first to fly in 1988. The aircraft has been in use since then. The antenna company, which designed the aircraft, produced only one AN-225. It has a capacity of 650 tons. This aircraft has 6 turbofans. Normally, only the nose gear of an aircraft is steerable. At the same time, AN-225 has 20 steerable wheels. There are 4 nose gears and 16 wheels on the back of the main gear. 43.32 meters long, 6.4 meters wide, and 4.4 meters high, AN-225 has large cargo compartments. But last year, in the Russian-Ukrainian war, this aircraft was destroyed by the Russian army. Anyway, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to comment on which vehicle you liked the most in this group. See you in the next informative video. Goodbye.